Okay, so our next hands-on will be also testing the force of the pendulum or the flipper system on how high we can make the rubber stopper go up. Last time we used the length of the stick. This time the variable tested is going to be the amount of force applied. Okay. And of course, it's really hard to determine how much force we're putting down on the stick and make it uniform. So we're going to do something very different today. We're going to be adding pennies to the bottom of the flipper system. And we're going to put up to 5 pennies. And this should prevent us from being able to go as far down. So as the amount of pennies increase, we're going to have less room to push down on the stick. So, and we're going to test to see how that changes how high the rubber stopper is launched into the air. So, like last time, we have our sheets. Okay, and we're going to put amount of force applied as the variable tested. And to the side, we're going to add pennies. So it says add pennies here. All right. So on the first one, it's going to be our starting. So we're going to have 0 pennies. So it says 0 pennies, okay? And we're going to do this a few times. We're just going to do it 3 times, 3 trials, just for time purposes. So the first one is going to be about 25 centimeters. Okay, and the second one is 24 centimeters. So the average between those two would be about 24.5 centimeters, 24.5 centimeters. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 penny to the bottom of the flipper system so we can't push the stick all the way down. And that one was 19. So with 1 penny, got 19 centimeters. Okay, for trial 1. Okay, for trial 2, I got 22 centimeters. Oh, I said we were going to do 3. I'm sorry. So let's do it one more time here. So also 23 centimeters, or that was 23 centimeters for trial 3. All right. Now we're going to add another penny. So it's 2 pennies is going to be how the variable will change. So 2 pennies. All right. So trial 1. Remember, even though it says 4 trials, we want to at least do 3. To give us a reliability on our test. Okay, that one went to 15 centimeters. Okay, trial 2. Okay, also about 15 centimeters. And trial 3. Okay, that one was about 16 centimeters. Okay, we're going to add the 3rd penny. Oh, let me try that again because I did not catch how high it went. Okay, that one was 12 centimeters. Okay, 13 centimeters for the second trial. Putting the pennies back. Okay, and then the third trial, also about 13 centimeters. Okay, now I'm adding the fourth penny. So I have even less room to push down on. Okay. First trial. Okay, 8 centimeters. Okay, 9 centimeters for the second trial. Put my pennies back because I knocked them over. Okay, and last trial for 4 pennies. Okay, about 8 centimeters. Okay, now the last one is going to have 5 pennies. Okay, trial 1. Okay, that one was about 6 centimeters. Let me put them back together. Trial 2. About 6 centimeters. And trial number 3. Okay, about 7 centimeters for that one. Okay, so for my results, normally you would add them up and then divide by 3. But I'm going to pick either the middle number or the one that's repeated the most. So I'm doing it a little bit differently here. All right, so my results should be